So you probably think somebody from my industry should be very prim and proper. And I do like fruits, but chocolate is something I can't stay away from. So welcome to my world. My journey from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. I am from Jammu Kashmir. I came here only for my BTech. Getting into the films, all of this was never a plan, honestly, because I've been a studious kid, right? But then it happened. Universe had plans, so it did. I was in college. I was just 16 and a half when I moved to Chennai. I participated in a pageant called Campus Princess. Long story short, I mean, that got me into a few shows in Bombay, Bangalore. You do like the thrill of the ramp, but then performance arts is which kind of satisfies your soul. Hence, I got into acting. I got into cinema. I learned acting from Adi Shakti. And yeah, I went for auditions and I got my debut film. Chennai for me is my second home now, honestly. I love the people. I love the place. I love the beach of Chennai. I say ayyo a lot lately, and let's pose instead of let's go. I'm like let's po. So yeah, these two words have been very, and Kandipa has become very frequent in my language. I don't know for what reason. I think I'm still in the journey. I think I'll always be in the journey. As an actor, I think there are gazillion things that you're learning every day, and I have my ways, and I don't think I can put a definition to it because I think with every different character, I'll have a different way to get to it. And I always thought that this is how it's going to be. It's very fancy, it's very lit. But that's not why I got into cinema. It's probably one of the reasons why I did not want to get into cinema. But after I came to South, after I came to Chennai, I saw the other side of it, the beautiful artistic side of it. That is what attracted me towards cinema. And I think this is something I wasn't aware of. And past 3 years since I've been into this industry, 2.5 years, this is what I've realized. It's beautiful, I feel. So the one clause I definitely want is please be on time. If anybody is late, they have to give their salary for that day to me because I might as well earn if I'm waiting for somebody to come on the set. I hate it when people are not punctual. And I feel my biggest strength are my parents because of that. You know, whenever I'm feeling low, I'll just call my dad or I'll just call my mom and they'll just make me feel okay. I think that is very important for you to have a good support system, especially if you're living alone outside. Pinto, my cat, by the way, he's a cutie. Why am I distracting myself? Because I'm running away, it's escapism. But why am I doing it? Like, am I not enough for myself? And that was a realization point for me and is when I started painting. So I started putting, and I've never painted in my entire life before. Like, I've never even touched a brush. You have a little bit of FOMO also sometimes when you're on social media. You don't feel like using it, but then you have to. It's become a little addictive as well. I try putting out real content as well, but let's just get real. Nobody puts out real content. That's the reality of life. My fashion is very elegant, very graceful, something that comes naturally to me because I'm a princess. Oh yeah. The love of my life. Why do you think I'm single? This is what keeps me happy, guys. I love food. I eat all kinds of food. I really like Michelle Obama. I really like how gritty she is. Prettiest in, everybody says without makeup, so I'm gonna go with that. So it'd be the BB cream, sunscreen with the BB cream, so that's one, mascara and lip gloss. I think these are my favorite. This is from Bobbi Brown, I really like it. This is the Dior mascara, it's very good. This is a Heliocare sunscreen that I use very regularly and it is the L'Oreal True Match. You can use any other BB cream, this one that goes with my skin tone. Instead, just take an ice cube and in upward motions, you can just rub it across your face, like away from the center. That's how you ice your face. It kind of lifts your skin. It's good for circulation. It'll, you know, close your pores and also remove the puffiness, any water retention. It's very good for that. I use sunscreen, as I said, and Cetaphil cream. I also steam my face. So, you've seen a part of my world. I'm Sherlyn Seth. You can follow me on Instagram as Sherlyn Seth. My movie Unarvugal Thodukada is coming in theatres soon and I add life to Chennai.